Hello coffee lovers, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pasquini Livia 90 espresso machine. We replaced a bad relay. You can see how it burned. And we also replaced a bad CPU. The CPU actually caused the relay to go bad. Caused it, because it was malfunctioning, it was causing the relay to rapidly click, and that burned it. We also did a tune-up on this machine, replacing the group head, gasket, and screen. This customer will want to make sure that they're back flushing on a more frequent basis to prevent this sort of coffee buildup, which can cause damage to other parts of the machine and clogs. It's also very hard on the pump. So let's go ahead and test the machine. So there we get a nice shot of espresso with a little crema. It ran a little long, so our grind could be a little bit coarser. And then let's test the steam. We have nice strong steam. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee, and please hit the like button below and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thank you.